Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing really well. First of all, really thank you for everyone for watching this video. Uh, this is the long requested thing. A lot of my students asked me to share the weekly analysis in the form of video. So, so that's the reason I'm making this video. Okay, so let's start from the forex market. Let's start from the euro USD. So currently what I'm looking at Euro USD is like if you see the Euro USD chart in a 4 hour time frame, like it is like it's created the a kind of a drop, a base, a drop, right? Or you can say that it's a impulsive retracement and followed by an impulsive move. And if you see here, it broke the high also, and somewhat it is broken the low also, right? So I believe that there is a demand a supply zone here. This will be acting as the your selling point in a 4 hour time frame. At the same time, if you see here, this this extreme order block, right? This extreme order block is broken, right? So this order block technically it's a bullish order block, but it is broken right now. So whenever the order block broken, it will become a breaker block, right? Or breaker block or flip zone, whatever you can call it. So I have two levels here. One is selling point from the top. It's a supply level, 4 hour supply level, and it's a 4 hour breaker block. So let us mark this in orange color because it's a breaker block. So I hope you all aware why I chosen this because of the previous range manipulation. So that is the reason I chosen this. Okay, and yeah. So what I'm expecting here is like my initial expectation is like prices will be goes down little bit, go up little bit, touch this level, and from there it can go down. So that is the one expectation. Uh, Especially we market will be opening like in the early morning in India, right? So like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3:30 in the early morning market will be opening. So by the time we may not able to capture this moment, we may not able to trade the market. So this entry may happen within the Asian session, maybe by early morning 6 o'clock, or sometimes it will be like 8 o'clock in the morning. You can expect this. If not, if not, maybe you can expect this in the London session. Okay, if in case price again, if it is breaks this, then you can look for a buying opportunity from here, a quick buy from here, and you can target here. Okay, and again from there you can look for the selling opportunity. So something like that you can expect. So either the breaker block will be acting as your what do you call the selling point, or the same breaker block will be helpful for you to buy the market from this level, or you can literally look for selling opportunity from the top. This top order block will it can touch either Monday or Tuesday, because it's all 4 hour, right? 4 hour it need to travel over there, so it may take one more day. So price will be coming here, and you can look for selling opportunity in Euro USD. So let's look for the GBP JPY. What I'm gonna do here is, right, whatever pair I am looking for, that analysis I'm giving. Henceforth, in the future, if you guys have any specific requirement, maybe you can put in the comment section. Maybe I can see, and I can I can do the analysis for that also. Or if you want any specific kind of a pair to be analyzed, or if you want to specific time frame you want me to analyze, maybe let me know. We can do that, because I'm just trotting out this, because I never done this kind of videos, because I'm a, you know very well me that I'm a full-time trader, and I'm also providing the mentorship. So I never done this YouTube kind of things, but because of your requirement, I'm doing this. Okay, so once in a week, let us do this. Now let me take the GBP JPY. Right, so again the same 4 hour. Okay, I already have some markings, so let me remove all those markings, because I think the trade which I have taken, that marking is there here. So just see straight away you can see that there is a supply zone here. You can see that there is a supply zone. So, or you can say that there is a, what do you call, a bearish order block, whatever you can call, supply, bearish order block. Names are just names. Okay, just understand the logic behind the names. That is really important. So a drop, base drop, or you can say that impulsive, ranging, impulsive, whatever, right? This is the level which we are looking for sell. You can consider the entire level also if you want, or be specific about this also. It's up to you. So my opinion, I used to consider everything like this. So this is my supply level, and why this is important, because it's broken the structure here. Not only this structure, but also the previous structures. Okay, previous structures, let's leave the previous structure, but this structure is broken. Okay, now also if you can see that there is a 1 2 3 almost 4, for 16 hours market was trying to go up. It was trying to go up, but uh, at some point of this place it is just rejected. uh, the reason is here, like, this is like your imbalance zone. So the imbalance zone is almost 50% is touched, and the price is falling down. So that's the reason. But now if you see this one, this is a really interesting one, because out of nowhere it is reacted. Of course it's reacted from the imbalance, or you can say the previous breaker block. It is reacting, but it's kind of difficult to understand what's happening. So what you can do is, Monday, let us mark this highs and lows. Marks the highs and lows. So anyways, you are not going to trade in the early mornings, 3 o'clock in the early morning, nobody going to trade. So what we can do is, like, maybe after 10 o'clock in the morning, or 11 o'clock European sessions, right? In that particular time, if you witness a break here, okay, if you witness a break during, I mean, from opening to maybe till morning, any point of time in tomorrow, any point of time in tomorrow, if you witness this break, so what you can look for is, you will be having some order block here. So from there you can look for selling the market. So that's what I will do. If you witness this break first, or if you witness this break, then I'll straightforwardly looking for selling from this level. I don't looking for the buy. I'll be looking for selling from this bearish order block. Okay, something like that. So overall, I'll be looking for selling the GBP JPY. Maybe we can hold our position till this level, but as I told you guys, we are not going to do that, because all we want is less, like 200 points or 300 points. That is more than enough for us. So GBP JPY also I'm looking for selling the market. And okay, so I hope this clears. So we are all discussing in the 4 hour time frame, because higher time frame bias, you should know that first. So once you know the bias, then you can able to like figure out in the lower time frames. I hope you are aware about the lower time frames, everyone, right? Alright, so we'll be looking for selling the GBP JPY, especially from this level, and in between this level also you can look for the selling opportunity. Okay, now let's jump into the Maybe let's see uh, CAD JPY. CAD JPY, some Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Okay. Now this is interesting. This is interesting. Again, I'm removing all those drawings. Interesting because we are watching this thing in a 4 hour. So what happened in the previously? It gone below these lows and gone up. It took the money, liquidity, and it is going up. And now it is also taken the liquidity. Okay, it's already taken the liquidity, and especially from all these highs, right? All these highs liquidity has been taken, and some reaction, some downward reaction we have witnessed. Okay, so we have only order block here in the bottom for buying the market, but it has to at least, I mean, it will take much time to come down, right? It will take much time to come down from buy from here. So my suggestion is, in this particular pair, look for selling opportunity from the manipulation area. So this area we can look for the selling opportunity. Again, early morning you cannot do anything. Maybe you can witness something like this. So if you witness something like this, down movement and followed by another break, then you can look for selling from either from the top or either from the order block here. So you can look for a selling opportunity because you know that market is went up and it has to come down, it has to come touch this level. So this may take maybe Tuesday price can come here. From there you can again look for the buying opportunity. So this is not completely taken the liquidity. Okay, so liquidity is taken, liquidity is grabbed a little bit. So but still liquidity grabbed a little bit, but still some more money is there above. So my opinion, this is the order block which I'll be looking for selling the market for a long time, long in a long term basis. So from here we'll be looking for selling the market in a long run. Okay, this is what I'm seeing in the CAD Japanese yen. And let's see the gold, because you guys are really crazy about the gold. So it is like gold is like gold. At the same time, it's really uh, bad bad script to trade with, if you are, especially if you are a complete beginner. So here you go, something is happening here, right? So it's clearly, again you can see that there's a break of structure happened couple of times, one here and one here. And if you see here, there is an order block here, or you can say the supply zone here. Beautiful supply zone. It looks really perfect. You know, perfect things sometimes fails. Okay, so all that glitters is not gold, right? So perfect. Whatever you see, such perfect order blocks or perfect supply zones, demand zones, sometimes it fails. Sometimes, not all the times. Okay, we have n number of opportunity here. So you have one more break of structure here, right? You had an order block here also, and that is failed, right? That's failed. And you also had the extreme. There is a manipulation candle here. Okay, somehow these two things are aligning each other, right? This, let us mark this. This is also kind of breaker block. Okay, so let's mark this breaker block is a orange color, and you have above also you have a breaker block, that is also breaker block. And you have a, what do you call, you have the bearish order block in between also. So let me mark this color into, I don't know why it is not changing. Okay, cool. So you have multiple confluence in this level. So for example, this is, let's mark this the black color. The black color is your bearish order block, and the orange color is your breaker block. So you have two options. This two is colliding each other, right? Two blocks are colliding each other. So this would be a perfect spot for selling the market. However, it is a very long, right? So it has to come up, and after that only you will be selling. Either this up movement will happen in the Japanese session or Asian session. When market opens, I mean when you open the market in the European session, maybe by that time it would have came here. In that situation, yes, absolutely, you can skip this up movement. You can look for the selling opportunity from uh, that this block, right? This block, or maybe from here first and then here second. But if you are opening your market in the early morning, maybe if you want to trade early morning, so let's look for the buying opportunity here, because what happened here is it's already manipulated, I guess. Yes, it's already gone below these lows. Now market is closed with the green candle. So if suppose early morning, if you witness the early morning, if you're trading, if you're witnessing a break like this in your lower time frames, okay, then you can mark your order block, buying order block. You can buy from here and target this level, target this level for short term buys. It should be short term buys, okay, and you'll be selling from here. If this level is not giving the confirmation, maybe you can look for the above what you call the breaker block, above the breaker block. And also we have one more bearish order block here, so which will take price will take much time to come here. So we don't need to worry about this block for now, but all these, this block is really important if you are trading gold, okay. If you are trading gold only, then you trade this, otherwise you don't use this setup. All right, okay, I hope whatever we have seen, four pairs: euro USD, GBP JPY, CAD JPY, and gold. We'll see one more thing, and then uh, we'll close this video, okay. Let us take one more currency. Let's take the GBP, or maybe let's take the AUD USD, right? Some Japanese, some Asian session pair. All right, AUD USD. Let's take the AUD USD. AUD USD also, it's great. Okay, I have markings, so let's remove the markings. Okay, it's like you have manipulation to the top. You have multiple levels to see. You have one breaker block here. You have one more breaker block in the above, but it is the first priority is this breaker block. Second priority is this low, this one, because this is all. It is also breaker block. Also, this is a kind of drop, a base, a small base. There is a small base is created here. Okay, small base is created. So you can consider this is a breaker block as well as the order block, bearish order block area. Okay, and this one, obviously this is like a breaker block, pure breaker block. So you can look for selling from this breaker block based on the breakup structure. And also, if you notice that price broken the structure, and the price is approaching to the extreme order block, right? Extreme bullish order block. So this is really interesting. So price is about to reach this level, and we don't know what will happen, because it can go up, or it can break this level once again. If it is break this level, again look for selling from here. It will become breaker block. You can look for the selling from here and target the bottom order block. If it is going up, how do you know that? It will give the reaction, right? You know that, you know how to find the reaction. You know how to find the confirmation. So it will go like this, and first it will touch this level. You can look for selling opportunity, and after again it will reach. Maybe it will come again. once again it will come again. So you can look for one more selling opportunity from the top. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing in the AUD USD, and like I said, so I want your inputs, right? Which pair you are looking, which pair you want me to analyze. Let me know. I'm really happy to clarify your doubts, and I would like to give my inputs on those things. All right. So thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you. We'll meet you guys in the next week. Bye guys. Bye. Thank you.